Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can send read receipts on iMessage. So I'm just going to open settings and I'm going to find messages and I'm just going to select messages. Then I am going to go down and find send read receipts. When this is on, people are notified when you have read their messages. This enables read receipts for all conversations. So you are just going to enable that, and then that's basically it. You can also enable this on your on messages, but this is a way to enable it in settings. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!